World announcement. The heavyweight division of boxing is booming. It's becoming big and famous again. And there's 3 fighters: Joshua, Wilder, Tyson Fury. Great name, right? Former cocaine addict, used to be 385 pounds in between fights. Crazy guy. So Joshua is like a very handsome guy from London, very well-spoken, beautiful, very handsome dude. And Wilder's a real tough guy, wild, crazy kind of boxer. And Tyson Fury is a very huge Englishman with a beard like this, very scary, very weighty guy, a little bit of a former cocaine addict and stuff like that. But anyway, Joshua didn't want to fight Deontay Wilder, who's our guy, who's like clearly who he should be fighting. And he took some fight with Potemkin or whatever, which is on September 22nd. So you know what they did? Wilder and Tyson Fury said, hey man, if you're not going to fight us, and we're the obvious competitors in the heavyweight division, certainly Wilder, we're going to fight each other. And they booked the biggest fight of the year in December, much, much bigger than the stepping stone Anthony Joshua fight. That's boxing. That's cool. It's going to be a freak show, but it's going to be fun as hell. So that's something to look forward to. You got a lot of good boxing. You got Triple G coming up, Anthony Joshua stepping stone fight, and then the big bomb in December, Tyson Fury vs. Deontay Wilder.